But I think anybody can figure out anything as long as they put enough work into doing it. And I know it sounds so cliche, but it's true. Like, like we're all made equal. I don't think God has made us, you Evan better than me or me better than you. We're all literally made equally, and I think the only common denominator is some people are hungrier than others, and some people are willing to work harder to get to that place more than others. So if you're hungry and if you are someone who want a better future, now there's a lot of people that don't want a better future. Maybe I think everybody wants a better future, but maybe they don't want it bad enough. They're like, we're okay. I'm okay with just, sitting in my bedroom and playing games all day. If you're happy, if you're stoked about playing video games all day, and fulfilled and doing that, then hey, keep doing that. But I don't want to play video games all day. But which, by the way, funny enough, ironically enough, like you can probably make a lot of money playing video games these days. Like the e-gaming sports is blowing up. It's absolutely insane. These guys are making millions and millions of dollars. But also that's very competitive. You got to be really, really good at it. So um yeah, failure is literally, I tell people, like, you can't do something great if you don't fail. Like, it's impossible. If you find anybody who's never failed and is successful, I would give you whatever you want, because I just know for a fact that the more successful you are, the more failures you will have, just because it is the same. It's ingrained. It's the same thing. Okay. Like, it comes, if you want success, you're going to have the failure. If you want failure, you're actually going to have success. It's the same. It's the food is served on the same plate. So